Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Study in Academy. So today our topic is exercise 2.6 question number 7. Let's start. The first question of question 7 is in question 7, solve the following equation for real x and y. The first question is 2 minus 3 iota into x plus y iota is equal to 4 plus iota. We have to find the value of unknown terms like x and y. So let's see to the solution. In the solution of this part, first of all we take multiplication of these both coordinates, these both complex expressions like 2 minus 3 iota and x plus y iota. 2 will multiply with x plus y iota in this way. Then minus 3 iota will multiply also with x plus y iota in this way. Then we write equal same as it is, while 4 plus iota same as it is. In the next step, 2 multiply with x, then the answer is 2x. Then 2 will multiply with y iota, so answer is 2y iota. Then minus 3 iota multiply with x, then the answer is minus 3x iota. Minus 3 iota multiply with y iota, so we get minus 3x minus 3y iota square, because there are two iotas. Okay, and the remaining portion will be copied like this, is equal 4 plus iota. So 2x will be written same as it is, 2y iota will be written same as it is, while minus 3x iota is same as it is. At the place of x iota square, we have to substitute their value, which is minus 1. So minus 3y into minus 1 is equal to 4 plus iota, which is same as it is. So 2x plus 3y, we write first of all 2x this one, and 3y minus minus plus 3y ones are 3y, which is written here, while 2y iota minus 3x iota will be written here. And after equal sign, 4 plus iota will be copied here. So in the next step, 2x plus 3y will be written in this form, and then we take brackets here for mentioning the complex term which having iota. So 3x are having also iota, while 2y also have iota. That's why we take common iota here, and 3 minus 3x plus 2y will be written in a bracket form. So is equal to 4 plus iota will be written same as it is. Now you have to see that there is 2x plus 3y, which is real part. Real part means it have no any iota sign, while minus 3x plus 2y having iota, which is written here. Okay, so it will be complex part of this equation. At the right hand of equal, the 4 is real while iota is imaginary. So 2x plus 3y will be equal to 4, because 4 is real, and at the left hand side 2x plus 3y iota is real term. That's why we written by comparing 2x plus 3y is equal to 4, and we have to compare minus 3x plus 2y, which is a complex number, with 1, because there is one iota only. Okay, this one iota there, that's why we have to write minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 1 in this way. So it's a second equation. Now multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. First equation we have to multiply with 3, because the coefficient of x in the second equation is 3. So we have to multiply first equation with 3, and the second equation we have to multiply with 2 because the coefficient of x in the first equation is 2. So we will use the term for multiplication, the coefficient of x value. So that's why the value of x will be written here. Okay, now 2x, now by multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2, so we get this term in this form that when we multiply 3 with the first equation, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So we get 6x plus 9y plus is equal to 12. This will be equation 3. When we multiply 2 with the equation 2, then 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Then we get 6x minus 6x, 4y, and at the end equal to 2. So these are 3 and 4 equations. Adding both equations, when we add these two equations, then 6x will be cancelled with minus 6x, and x will be eliminated from these equations. That's why let's see to the next step. By adding equation 3 and 4, we get 9 plus 4, 13y, while 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. When we find the value of y, then 13 is multiplying here, it will be shifted to the right hand side, then it will be divided with 14. Y is equal to 14 upon 13. So the value of y is 14 upon 13. Putting y in equation 1. We will put y in equation 1. So equation 1 was 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Equation 1 was here 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. So we put the value of value of y at the place of y in equation 1. Let's see, 2x plus 3 into y, at the place of y we put 14 upon 13 is equal to 4. In the next step, 2x will be written same as it is, while 3 into 14, 42, 3 4s are 12, 2 1, 3 1s are 3, and 4, 14 upon 42 upon 13. So plus 42 upon 13 will be shift to right hand side, then the sign of plus 42 upon 13 will be converted into minus 42 upon 13. Now here we take LCM. So what's the pattern of taking LCM, which is so simple? Here we take LCM in this form, that 13 will be divided, written in the division form, while after 4 we draw a bracket here. So in bracket there is a sign, a denominator which is 1. 1 multiply 13, we get the LCM. So that's why we write 13 here. After 13, we take minus sign, and then we write 42 here. After 42 we write 1 here, because 13 ones are 13. We search this LCM 13 in the table of denominator, it's mean the table of 13. So we get 1, 13 ones are 13. Once again I am repeated that first of all we take a line, at the denominator we write 13, then we write 4 here. After written 4, we will search a number by which the one which is the denominator of 4 is multiply, and we get LCM 13. So 1 13s are 13. So that's why we write 13 here. Now then we write minus 42, and we search a number which multiply with this one 13 to we get this LCM 13. So 13 ones are 13, that's why we write 1 here. Now 13 into 4, answer is 52, while 42 into 1 minus 42 will be written here. In the next step 13 will be written here. Okay, so 42 ones are 42 upon 13. 52 minus 42, the answer is 10, while 13 is divided with 10. In the next step 2, which is multiply with x, is shifted at the left hand side, and we also take a cutting of both these terms. We can say in the next step we write in this form, then x is equal to 10 upon 13 into 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, so we get 5 upon 13 here. It is 5 upon 13. Okay, so x will be equal to 5 upon 13. Now at the next step we get the value of y, which is already we have calculated here. Y is equal to 14 upon 13. So we get two answers. The first is the value of x, while the second is the value of y. The x value is 5 upon 13, while the value of y is 14 upon 13. Now we move towards the next part, which is solved here. Now first of all, in this question we multiplied 3 minus 2 iota with x plus y iota. 3 will this complex number x plus y iota, and minus 2 iota with this x plus y iota, and the right hand side we multiplied 2 with x minus 2y iota, and also 2 iota minus 1 will be written here. So in the next step 3 multiply with x, then we get 3x, 3 multiply with y iota, then we get 3y iota, 2 iota with the x, then minus 2x iota, 2 iota with the y iota, then we get minus 2y iota square. In the right hand side we get 2x, 2 multiplication of 2 on x, minus 2 to the 4 y iota will be written here, then 2 iota minus 1 will be written here. Now in the next step 3x minus 2y, this one minus 2y will be written here, and at the place of iota square we write minus 1. So then 3y iota and minus 2x iota will be written here, is equal to 2x will be written, and minus 1 will be written here, minus 4y iota, and then plus 2 iota. So in the next step 2x plus 3y minus minus plus 2y ones are 2y, then we write 2y here. Then we take common iota from these two terms, which is written here, and we take 3y minus 2x in the bracket form, because iota is common from these two terms. Okay, now at the right hand side 2x minus 1 will be written same as it is, while 2y minus 4y and plus 2 having iotas, so we take iota is common, and we should write minus 4y plus 2 in bracket form. So this is our real part 3x plus 2y, while at the right hand side 2x minus 1 is also a real. That's why we compare both real parts, and at the left and right 3y minus 2x is imaginary part, while minus 4y is plus 2 is also imaginary part. Then we also compare these both parts here. So by solving first equation, this comparison. 2x will be shifted left hand side, then 3x minus 2x, the answer is 1x. Then 2y will be written same as it is, minus 1 will be copied same as it is. Now at the second equation, there are two terms related to y, so minus 4y will be shift here, then plus 4y plus 3y, answer is 7y, minus 2x will be written same as it is, then plus 2 will be written here. So in the next step, it will be our equation 2. In the next step, we take multiplication, multiply equation 1 by 2, we get first equation, this one, we multiply this one equation by 2 because the coefficient of x here is 2. That's why we multiply x plus 2y is equal to minus 1 with 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4, 2 ones are 2. And we get 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 2. So it will be equation 3. Adding equation 2 and 3 we get by adding equation 2 and 3. This one 2 and this also is, this one is a 3. So when we add these two equations, then plus 2 and minus 2x, it will minus 2x. Okay, I mentioned minus here. Now I am mentioning minus here. Sorry, there is not any minus, while it have minus 2x plus x plus 2x. So it will be cancelled with each other. Then 7y plus 4y, we get 11y. Now by adding equation 2 and 3, we get in this form 7y is equal to 0. How we get this? So it will be calculated v here. Minus 2x plus 7y is equal to 2. And 2x plus 4y is equal to minus 2. Okay, now by adding these both equations, these two terms will be cancelled and these will also cancel. Then we get 13y is equal to 0. While we imagine that it will be 13. Okay, 13y. Then 13 will be shifted to the division with 0. And we get the value of y, which is 0. Okay, the value of y will be 0. So it's our required answer. Let's see at the next step. In the next step, now we substitute the value of y, which is 0, in equation 1. We get equation 1 having when we multiply y here 0 here, then 2 zeros are 0, x is equal to -1. So the answer will be -1, x is equal to -1 and y is equal to 0. It's our required answer. I hope that you have already understood about these questions. So thanks for watching this video. Next questions will be discussed. More questions I will be discussed in the next video. So thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.